Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and in today's video I am going to share two of my favorite fruit salads. I will start with the sweet and sour melon salad followed by fruits and sprout salads. So to start the recipe, here I am slicing half an apple. After slicing them into bite-sized pieces, I am going to put them in a big bowl. Next, I will slice 1/4 piece of cantaloupe. So this is a kind of muskmelon and is very sweet. Just use variety of melons like watermelon, cantaloupe melons and honeydew melon, etc. to make your melon salad. Melons are sweet, juicy, tender and crunchy, making them perfect for a healthy and tasty salad recipe. Now add this to the bowl. Here I am using two kinds of melons and a little bit of Ambrosia apple to add more crunch and sweetness. Next, I am going to slice some watermelon. Make big pieces or small pieces, whatever you like. And straight into the bowl. Now I will make a simple dressing for the salad, and for that, in a small bowl, first I will take 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, to this a teaspoon of honey, just for that little sweet taste. You can avoid it if you want. Next, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, then a pinch of black pepper powder. Next, half a teaspoon of chaat powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of black salt. And now mix all these ingredients. Make sure not to add a lot of spices to the salad dressing. Over dressing can make the fruit salad taste very spicy. Now add this dressing straight to the fruits. Give the salad a nice and gentle mix. Serve chilled and enjoy your sweet and sour melon salad. So coming to the next recipe, I am going to make a super simple fruit and sprout salad, and for that, in a big bowl I am going to take 3/4 cup of green moong and brown chickpea sprouts, and now to this I am going to add a lot of fruits. So first I am going to chop half an apple, cut them into small pieces for better texture and taste of the salad. And now straight into the bowl. Next I will chop half a cucumber. So don't worry, cucumber goes great with this recipe, but if you want to avoid, just go for it. And now straight into the bowl. Next, 1/4 piece of Cantaloupe Melon. This is light and sweet. It makes your salad even more healthy. Just chop into small pieces and straight into the bowl. Next, half a banana. The banana will add the sweetness, the extra calorie and taste good with the sprouts. So adding the banana is a very good idea. Finely chopped bananas straight into the bowl. Finally, a few pieces of grape. Add as many as fruits you can to make this salad even more nutritious. Cut and throw them into the bowl. Next to this, I will add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh hung curd or Greek yogurt and a tablespoon of honey to cover the sourness of any fruit. Give it a nice and gentle mix. Now let me tell you that this salad is perfect during the festivals and fastings. Now serve it chilled and enjoy a nutritious and filling fruit and sprout salad. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. All the recipe details and goodies are given in the description box. Do give it a look. We'll see you soon with one more light recipe. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.